What I have here is a Chinese-made product that should not exist. A handgun safe made of bamboo. How can I convey how wrong this is? Would you replace your bathroom tile with whole wheat crackers using cheese for grout? Would you sew a parachute from toilet paper? Would you build a jumbo jet out of Play-Doh? If there's any doubt in your mind about this being a handgun safe, it comes with a free gun cleaning kit. Here's all the stuff. It also comes with cable for anchoring the box at the side. I'm hoping my viewers recognize this is a bad idea. And it comes with a USB cable for charging the rechargeable battery inside. The port for that is on the back of this, right here. Now take a look at the hinges on this. These look like something you might find on a jewelry box. And I went online after I had that thought and looked at jewelry boxes. Most of them are a lot more nicely made than this. Anyway, setting aside all of the obvious weaknesses here, I want to focus on the lock, and I'll reposition the camera to give you a better look at it. This is a tiny tubular lock. Take a look at the key. See any cuts in the end of it? There are no cuts in this key because there are no pins in this lock. The tensioning piece at the end of the key simply catches part of the plug and rotates it 1/4 of a turn. I've never seen this before. So to pick this, I'm going to use what was at one time a Sparrow's half diamond pick. I ground off the half diamond so that I could use this for things like poking at the pins in tubular locks. In this case, what I'm going to do is press down on the plug and simply drag it 1/4 of a turn. Like that. And it's picked. I keep thinking of the jewelry box, the diary, things locked in gesture, as if to say, please leave my belongings alone. You can't treat guns that way.